So, you want to make money flying drones? Well, this is the year to finally get your Part 107. My name is Philip, and I am an adjunct professor of drone studies at Nunez Community College. I have taught over 100 students of getting their Part 107, as well as to getting into basic, intermediate, and advanced drone flying. Over the years, I've seen many students, friends, and family fly drones, but never get their Part 107. That stops this year. FAA Part 107 is the regulatory framework for operating small, unmanned aircraft systems, drones, under 55 pounds for commercial/business purposes in the US. How do you get a Part 107 then? To get a Part 107 drone certificate, you have to pass a written test, which consists of about 65 questions now, and you have to get over a 70 to pass. Now, for some people it's going to be easy, for some it's going to be harder. Now, unless you already have strong aerial knowledge, you are going to need to study for this test. Now, the ways to go about it is you can take an in-class course, like what I teach at my local community college. You can take an online course. Good courses include the Pilot Institute and UAV Coach, which is where I learned where to study for the Part 107 test. You can watch YouTube videos, or you can hire a tutor like myself. Link is in the description below. But whatever the case is, all you gotta do is pass it one time, get 70%, and you're good. It costs this year about $179 per. So if you take it more than once, it might really behoove you to do some online professional course training. Once you pass the test, every 2 years, all you have to do is take an online recurrent test at your house, and you'll be staying within the regulations. Here are 3 reasons why you need to get your Part 107 in 2026. Number 1, you can get paid. You use drones on your monetized YouTube channel, you're gonna need a Part 107. You're trying to grow an Instagram following and use drone imagery that you fly, you're gonna need a Part 107. So again, the main reason for a Part 107 is for commercial benefit. By getting it, it allows you to get paid without getting in trouble. Number 2, you look official. By having a Part 107 license, if people bother you, just pull it out. If you have to talk to authorities, just pull it out. The Part 107, that is. It just gives you a more professional look, and it looks like you're ready to do business. Number 3, a better understanding of drones and safety. By getting a Part 107, you actually get more access to controlled airspace. Now, you do have to file out some paperwork, but it takes no more than 2 minutes to make it happen. And all in all, you just have a better understanding and view of drone and aeronautical knowledge that will really help you out in the field. And it shows that you're taking the craft very serious. Another thing is that the FAA is starting to come down harder on drone operators and is inflicting some serious fines and even jail time for offenders. So by having the Part 107, you can avoid that by just getting a better grasp and knowledge of the regulations, and you'll take them seriously. If you're struggling with understanding Part 107 coursework, you can hire me as your tutor. Again, I'm literally a drone professor. I've been studying this stuff for over 9 years, and I can help you out greatly. With my 1-hour tutor sessions, you'll be able to learn and get through all the hardest stuff that Part 107 has to offer, including airspace, which people really struggle with, latitude, longitude, weather reports, and more. Link is in the description box. I hope this video helped you on the benefits of getting your Part 107, and I look forward to seeing you in the skies in a safe manner. Now, watch this video that YouTube's gonna recommend for you right here.